Hi students, I want you to know how to use WordWall Chapter 1 Matchup. So first click Start and you're going to click, so move your right finger to click on or to read. So money paid for your job. You want to look and see which word matches that. So salary, so I'm going to click on salary and hold with my left finger and then move it up here. And then when you can't do something, what word? Now these are really small, so I'm going to try to click this button to expand the screen. That makes it bigger. So when you can't do something, let's see, which word is it? Is it kind, sob, arithmetic, servant, tattletale? Impossible. Okay. Cry uncontrollably. Cry uncontrollably. It's sob. Okay. Someone who worked in people's homes, cleaning or cooking. That is a servant. Make this face when you don't like something. Frown. Admired means respected. Yes. Mathematics means arithmetic. The study of past events is history. A child who tells a parent or teacher about something bad is a tattletale. Nice means kind. Okay. Then I'm going to submit my answers. Ooh, look at that. Yay. Okay. Looks like I got it all right. 10 out of 10. Let me see on the leaderboard how I fit. I could type my name in here if I wanted. I'll just say that I am Jane. That's not my real name, but I'm putting it in there. And it tells me that I'm first, and it took me 1.32 seconds. But you don't have to go on the leaderboard, so I can go back. I can start again. I can make it smaller. And that's how I do the game.